Hello, my name is Asma and today I will be doing a tutorial on how to use BlendSpace. So in order to begin, we will type in blendspace.com. You will end up on this home page. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to talk about the tool. BlendSpace is a tool which is used in a lot of classrooms. It's used in the HRD world for presentations and for projects. And in classrooms, teachers may use it for lessons. Students may also use this for any presentations or projects. And this tool provides many possibilities and can be used in various ways. And it creates digital lessons in about 5 minutes, as you will see in this tutorial. So to start, you will have to create an account. You can click on sign up if you're a teacher, if you have another position. If you are a support staff, you can click on that and continue. But since I already have a login, I am just going to log in with my Gmail account. And this is what you will have next. And you will see this green tab on the left side of the screen. And you can click on that, which says new lesson. And this is the screen in which you will be creating your presentation. We have entered the lesson title and we have tiles here. And if you hover over the tiles, it says drop your resource, add text, add quiz. And these are the specific things that this tool does for you. So you are able to drop videos, you're able to add text, and you are able to create a quiz. And on the far right corner, you can see here that there is a search bar and there are multiple icons here in which you can drag and drop your resource and you can play your presentation and to your students or to your colleagues or to your coworkers. So we are going to start off with the lesson title. And for this, we will talk about different types of volcanoes. This is going to be the title of the presentation. First, we're going to start off by adding a title slide. So if you click on add text, this will come up. Just click on bold to start typing. And I am going to put this in the middle, make it a bigger size. Right, and just change the color up. And you can just click on done. And there is a edit button here on the right corner of the tile if you would like to go in and edit any information. You can also click on remove or the delete button to get rid of the tile or whatever you have written in the tile. So over here where it says enter label, you can just write introduction or actually title slide. And in the next tile, we will drag and drop a video. So we are going to use YouTube and just type in the search bar, types of volcanoes. We will be using the second one and you can just click and drop it in. And there is your video. On the right corner, you can click the pencil icon and just add a description of what the video is about. And in the next, I will show you how to make a quiz. So you would click on the add quiz button, type in your question, And these are strictly multiple choice questions that we have here. And we will do this. How many volcanoes are there? You can add answer if you have more than 2. You can add more than 4 or 5 based on your preference, but for this, we will add 4. And you can also click on the right answer and click on done when you have finished. And again, I will write quiz here. And you can click on the edit button if you want to go back and make any changes. And if you click on take quiz, you can take the quiz yourself and make sure that it is working and that you have the correct answer. The correct answer is indicated in the green. All right, so we're going to reset this, X out of here, and we are going to play what we have. Types of volcanoes. And here's the video. If you click on the video, you can play the video and click on the next. You can take the quiz, submit your answer, reset the quiz, and you can X out. And there is also a share button on the top right corner. If you click on that, there is a lesson link over here, which you can use to share it to your employees, your coworkers. If you are planning to teach a class, you can share it with your students. You can also embed this code in Google Classroom, Twitter, Facebook. There is also a privacy button where you can see, where you can choose who can view this lesson. So whether you want it to be yourself or anyone, you have that option. And if you are working with multiple people, you can add a co-author. Thank you so much for watching my presentation on how to use BlendSpace. I hope you found this to be a unique web tool, and hopefully you guys can use it in the future. Thank you so much.